Welcome to the lesson Designing Step Down Block. In this lesson, we will design a step down block consist of many step down systems. The first is step down transformer, converting my supply voltage of 230 volt into 36 volt. Now I have a bridge wave rectifier which will convert AC input into a pulsating DC output. Then I will need some filtering circuit. I choose a capacitor to filter my pulsating DC and give some low ripple output. The bigger the value of capacitor, lower will be the ripple in the output. So choose a sufficient value of the capacitor. I chooses 470 microfarad capacitor. You can find out the value of the capacitor using formula Q is equals to CV. Now, these two inputs of comparator need sample of the supply voltage. So do the step I'm going to tell you and take some readings. Now increase the value of supply voltage to 250 volt and see what is the output of the filtering circuit. In my case, it is 18.2 volt. So we need to convert this 18.2 volt to 5.7 volt so that the C1 gives me high output. I need a voltage divider circuit to convert 18.2 volt into 5.7 volt. Choose a random value of R1, say 19 kilo ohms. So to get output of 5.7 volts, apply voltage divider rule and use this formula we learned in the lesson 3. I have calculated the value of R2 as 8.66 kilo ohm. Now, second step, decrease the supply voltage to 180 volt and see what is the output of filtering circuits. In my case, it is 14.8 volts. So we need to convert this 14.8 volts to 4.6 volts so that the comparator 2 gives me high voltage whenever the 14.8 volt comes. Now I have these two additional supply in my circuit, but I don't want that. So I'll try to feed both of them with the help of this voltage. So I'm connecting a voltage regulator IC 7812 which will give me a fixed DC voltage of 12 volts which I can connect here, and for the relay supply I'll make another voltage regulator using a Zener diode of voltage 5 volt. So this was the over and under voltage protection circuit. See you in the next lesson. Oh, there is no more lessons. Hey, we have designed over and under voltage protection circuit and our design is completed. Hope you enjoyed this course. Rate this course as per your expectations. Now I can say that see you in the next course. Bye bye.